Hi, my name is Martin from GHM Academy, and today I'm going to explain to you what a GHM Bookstore is. So let's get to it. GHM Bookstore is a place where you're going to find lessons, workbooks, and ebooks that you can share with your classrooms or you can use for yourself. Now, there are some that are paid and some that are free. These are the free ones, and the paid ones are over here. As you click on the paid version, it will prompt you to show you how much they are and what that it includes when you purchase them. Now, for the book room, the way you would basically share them, it's very simple. You go into your classroom. From your classroom, you select the classroom you want to work with, and then you basically write in the name of the book that you're looking for, the lesson or workbook. Here we could just do grade 6, and all the grade 6 that are linked to that will appear that are free. Now, if I had a paid version, I would be able to have all the ones that are grade 6, so lesson 1 to 34. But since we only offer one free one here, we would just save it. And there you go. It's attached directly to Martin 3. That is the classroom that I selected. So from here, I can go back into GHM, check out to see my Martin 3, and there it is. That's the lesson I am sharing. Now, you can also search for lessons by category. So let's say I'm looking for things that are in Canadian history. I can find them. If I'm looking for things that are related to the Rick Hansen Foundation, I can find these lessons. And each one of these lessons that are, of course, not grayed out are free. You can use them. You can share them with your class. Here, I can also do it by province. This is for the curriculum base. So if I wanted to just to Quebec and I'm looking for things that are for grade 7, then I will have all the lessons that are related to grade 7 according to the curriculum of the ministry of that province. So that is a quick tour of our bookstore. So please let us know if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe for free at ghmacademy.com and check it out. Take care. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.